Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel. I remain your favorite tea girl and your latest spice madam. So today we are going to talk about cooking with red paprika, spicing up your foods with red paprika like a pro, so you can add both color, rich flavor and a touch of smokiness to your meals. Today, like I said, your best friend I'm going to talk about is red paprika, all right? Whether you love grilled meats, creamy stews, or zesty dips, this spice is a game changer, all right? Let me just give you few tips, few things you should know about red paprika and ways you can use it around your foods or recipe. All right, red paprika comes from different dry red bell peppers and chilies. Is sweet, smoky or spicy depending on the variety. Perfect for seasoning, marinating and even garnishing your foods. Paprika comes from different places, like here in Nigeria. It is confusing a lot of people, and we are familiar with the ones called tatashi. You know, the type that is mixed with our tomatoes to cook stew and jollof for that bold color and flavor. But red paprika is vast in the spice and seasoning world. Why? Because it is processed in different forms. We have sweet red paprika, we have smoked red paprika, which is made from chili peppers, just like regular paprika. However, as the name suggests, the peppers are smoke dried over an oak fire before ground into a powder. So it has to go through that process. That is when you can get your smoke red paprika. All right, so all these your smoky jollof, you don't need to go and pack firewood to get your smoky jollof. Red paprika will give you that smoky jollof. Everybody is looking forward to enjoy. All right, so it is not like your regular paprika. While other paprikas are primarily used for garnishing, smoked paprika powder has more complexity that brings out that smoky flavor of grilled foods. Or more, you need to try it in your grilled foods, alright? So it's an essential ingredient in dry rubs. You see, so you can use it in your beans. It's so nice in beans. A little goes a long way. So when you shop online, you will mostly see Spanish red paprika. That one is milder and sweeter than Hungarian, the variety that come from Hungary, right? Sometimes it owes its distinctive flavor to being dried via the smoke of old timber. Spanish red paprika is sometimes mixed with a small amount of olive oil and served as a condiment. All right, it's so amazing. You need to try it. And there is also another one called Hungarian paprika. Hungarian paprika is from Hungary. That is that one that is bold red in color and is sweeter than other varieties, although it still provides a smoky flavor anyway. In Hungary, like when you travel to that country, you discover that it's not like your normal black pepper in your shaker, right? It typically accompanies the salt shaker at the table. Instead of black pepper, is red paprika that you will get inside. And there are easy ways to use red paprika in cooking. Let me just give you a few tips here, like marinating your chicken with red paprika powder. So all you need to do is to mix red paprika. Bring your garlic, bring your red paprika, bring your lemon juice and olive oil. Mix all of them together and you have gotten yourself a perfect marinade for your chicken. Wow. So then we have paprika roasted vegetables, where you can sprinkle your red paprika all over your vegetables with olive oil, salt and black pepper. Toast, roast until it's crispy and golden. It's very simple, but yet a delicious one. Then we have a creamy paprika dip for wraps. Like, all you need to do is to get yogurt, get red paprika, a pinch of salt, and lemon juice. Combine everything together, let it mix perfect. You've gotten yourself a very super tasty or delicious sauce for your wrap. Yeah, so guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then Spice Madam has red paprika all over supermarkets and stores, so you can buy from red paprika.